Both Mr. Ram Jetmalani and Srimati Jayanti Ben Mehta have come forward to help the Academy to achieve its goal. Mr. Patangrao Kadam, who will be here any moment, he has lost his mother, but his flight is delayed. And along with him, Ashok Chavan and Anil Deshmukh, who hold important portfolio in the present government, have from time to time extended their invaluable support to us. Mrs. Prabha Rao, Mr. Ram Rao Adhik, Nana Chudasma and Ashok Patil have stood like a rock with the Academy since its inception. And today also Prabha Rao has specially flown from Delhi, and I don't think there's any function where Ram Rao Adhik and Prabha Rao is not present. The function is incomplete without them. I would like to put on record tremendous effort by Dr. Ram Tanreja, Chairman of the Academy Awards Committee. My sincere thanks and gratitude to the committee members, Shri Adhik Shrodkar, who is just like an elder brother to me. He has been always available whenever we have demanded his time. Member of Parliament, Shri Prahlad Chhabria, Mr. S. Rajgopal, Dr. Mohan Bhai Patel, Shakun Mulchandani, and all the others of managing committee. They have accomplished a Herculean task in scrutinizing and selecting the awardees. You know how difficult it is, because one awardee is better than the other. It's really a Herculean task. Priyadarshini Academy has been recognizing the service rendered by the leading personalities from different parts of the world who have made a significant contribution in different disciplines for the welfare of humanity. We are fortunate to have with us today the galaxy of dignitaries who are being recognized for their outstanding services. They are institutions by themselves, and we feel honored by their gracious presence here today. Because of constraint of time, I will not be taking their name. I think Sarita Sethi will do a wonderful job. This year, we will be having a separate literary awards function for Hindi, Marathi and Sindhi literature, which carries cash prizes of 25,000 rupees each. The function will be held in February. Much as I would like to go into the details of projects undertaken by the Academy in the last 2 years, I am compelled not to do so, as it will be a time-consuming affair. I would appreciate if you would glance through the details in the souvenir release today, which carries the complete report of our activities. As you know, the Prime Minister of India is due to arrive in Delhi this evening after his successful tour to US. The Minister present from Delhi here, Jayanti Ben and Suresh Prabhu, will receive Prime Minister personally. So I would request all our distinguished speakers and award winners to help us to cooperate